Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
Ever looked at your tiny garden and thought, there's just not enough space? Think again. Having a small outdoor space doesn't mean you have to sacrifice on your gardening dreams. You just have to get a little creative. That's why I'm so excited to share some of my favorite DIY garden hacks that are perfect for transforming those petite patios and cozy courtyards into your own little slice of paradise. Stay tuned to discover 12 transformative DIY garden hacks that will turn even the smallest spaces into lush paradises. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. When you're short on square footage, the best way to find more space is to look up. Vertical gardens are a game changer for small spaces, instantly adding a lush, vibrant feel. One of my favorite methods is using old pallets. Just give them a good clean, add some landscape fabric, and you've got yourself a rustic, charming vertical planter. You can also hang planters directly on walls or fences using sturdy hooks. Imagine a wall bursting with cascading herbs like rosemary and thyme, their fragrances filling the air. And don't forget about succulents. They're naturally low maintenance and thrive in vertical settings. No matter what style you choose, vertical gardens are a fantastic way to bring life and beauty to your small space without sacrificing an inch of precious ground. You might not think of paint as a space-saving solution, but trust me on this one. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for making a small garden feel larger and brighter. The key is to choose light, airy colors that reflect light instead of absorbing it. Think soft greens, calming blues, or even a cheerful pastel yellow. Plus, a fresh coat of paint on your fence provides a clean backdrop that makes your plants really pop. Imagine a classic white picket fence creating a crisp contrast against vibrant red geraniums or lush green ferns. And don't be afraid to get creative. Consider adding a fun accent wall with a bold color or a geometric pattern. So grab your paintbrushes, choose your favorite light and airy hues, and watch your small garden magically expand. Now, let's talk about maximizing your growing potential, even in the smallest of spaces. And that's where raised garden beds come in. They're like little islands of fertile ground, perfect for growing your favorite vegetables, herbs, and flowers. One of the things I love most about raised beds is that they give you complete control over your soil. You can build them in any shape or size to fit your space perfectly, whether it's a rectangular bed tucked against a fence or a curved bed that softens a corner. And because they're elevated, raised beds make gardening a little easier on the back. It's a win-win. Now, let's add some personality to our small gardens with a touch of whimsy and charm. And one of my favorite ways to do that is by incorporating recycled garden art. Think outside the traditional planter box and look for unexpected items around your house or at flea markets. Old colanders make charming planters for cascading herbs or trailing succulents. Vintage teacups and teapots add a touch of whimsy when filled with colorful blooms. It's all about giving these discarded treasures a new life and adding a touch of your personality to your outdoor space. Let's talk about giving your patio a quick and easy makeover with interlocking tiles. They're like puzzle pieces for your outdoor space, instantly transforming those drab or uneven surfaces into stylish and functional areas. One of the things I love most about interlocking tiles is how easy they are to install. You don't need any special tools or skills, just snap them together like a puzzle, and you've got a brand new patio in a matter of hours. They're also incredibly versatile. Use them to create a defined dining area, a cozy seating nook, or even a pathway through your garden. And with so many different materials, colors, and patterns available, you're sure to find the perfect tiles to complement your style. Imagine a patio with a warm, inviting glow, thanks to the soft light emanating from your solar lights. Not only do they look great, but they're also incredibly practical. Interlocking tiles can help hide unsightly areas, cover up moss or weeds, and provide a level surface for walking and entertaining. As the sun begins to set, it's time to create a magical ambiance in your small garden with the warm, inviting glow of solar lighting. And the best part is, you don't have to worry about running electrical wiring or increasing your energy bills. Solar lights are like little rays of sunshine, soaking up energy during the day and releasing it as a gentle glow after dark. String them along pathways to guide your steps. Place them among your plants to highlight their beauty. or hang them from trees or pergolas to create a magical canopy overhead. And with so many different styles available, from classic lanterns to whimsical fairy lights, you're sure to find the perfect solar lights to complement your garden's personality. So embrace the beauty of solar lighting and let your small garden shine bright, even after the sun goes down. When it comes to furnishing a small garden, it's all about choosing pieces that maximize both style and space. Look for furniture that's foldable, stackable, or multifunctional, so you can easily transform your space from a relaxing oasis to an intimate dining area. Consider a bistro set with a small round table and 2 chairs. It's perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or an evening glass of wine. For larger gatherings, opt for foldable chairs or benches that can be stored away when not in use. And don't forget about vertical space. Wall-mounted shelves or hanging planters can hold plants, lanterns, or other decorative items, freeing up valuable floor space. Imagine a cozy seating area with plush cushions, perfect for curling up with a good book, or a stylish dining nook with a bistro set and a colorful tablecloth, ready for a romantic dinner under the stars. With a little planning and the right furniture choices, you can create an outdoor oasis that's both functional and inviting. Now let's talk about keeping those pesky pests at bay while being mindful of our precious pollinators and the environment. And one of my favorite ways to do that is by using natural remedies. They're effective, affordable, and safe for your family, pets, and the planet. Take ants, for example. They can be quite a nuisance in the garden, but instead of reaching for harsh chemicals, try using lemon juice. Simply mix equal parts lemon juice and water in a spray bottle and spray it around areas where you see ants. The citric acid in lemon juice disrupts their scent trails, making it difficult for them to find their way back to your plants. Another natural pest control method I love is using diatomaceous earth. Sprinkle it around the base of your plants to deter slugs, snails, and other crawling insects. The diatomaceous earth works by dehydrating the pest's exoskeletons, effectively eliminating them without harming your plants or beneficial insects. By choosing natural pest control methods, you're creating a safe and welcoming environment for all creatures, big and small. Let's add a touch of whimsy and verticality to our small gardens with the charm of hanging planters. They're like little floating gardens, adding pops of color and texture at eye level and making the most of every inch of space. Imagine a collection of macrame plant hangers, each holding a different variety of trailing plant, cascading down from your porch ceiling, or a row of colorful hanging baskets lining your balcony railing, overflowing with vibrant blooms. Hanging planters are incredibly versatile. You can hang them from tree branches, shepherd's hooks, or even wall-mounted brackets. When choosing plants for your hanging planters, consider trailing varieties like pothos, spider plants, or English ivy. You can also use hanging planters to grow herbs, strawberries, or even small vegetables like cherry tomatoes. So embrace the beauty of hanging planters and let your garden reach new heights. Let's add a touch of tranquility and movement to our small gardens with the soothing sounds of a DIY water feature. And the best part is, you don't need a lot of space or a big budget to create one. One of the easiest ways to create a DIY water feature is by using a submersible pump and a container of your choice. Simply place the submersible pump in the bottom of the container, fill it with water, and arrange some decorative stones or rocks around the pump to conceal it. Then, let your creativity flow. You can create a cascading waterfall effect by stacking stones of varying heights, or you can opt for a more subtle bubbling fountain by using a fountain nozzle attachment. The sound of water is incredibly calming and therapeutic. It can help drown out traffic noise, create a sense of peace and serenity, and attract beautiful birds to your garden. There you have it. 10 simple, budget-friendly ways to transform your small outdoor space into a thriving, inviting escape. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, have fun with it. Whether you're adding vertical layers, creating a cozy seating area, or incorporating the soothing sounds of water, it's all about making your small space feel like a true reflection of you. Now get out there, get your hands dirty, and create a little slice of paradise. One DIY project at a time. I can't wait to see what you grow.